Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to study on thermogravimetric analysis. It contains thermal analysis techniques, dif- different thermal analytical technique methods, classification, thermogravimetry, types of thermogravimetry, principle, description, recording of result, information obtained from thermogravimetric curve, factor affecting a thermogravimetric curve, instrumentation and application. Thermal analysis. The term thermal analysis incorporates those techniques which some physical parameter of system is determined and recorded as the function of temperature. When matter is heated, is undergo certain physical and chemical changes. These changes that take place when a known sample is heated provide us with information that enable us to identify the material. Based on the above definition, the various techniques of thermal analysis are summarized in the table. Dear friends or students, here we are studying this is an analytical technique which is based on the thermal analysis. Material, unknown compound or sample behaving with a uh, different temperature that we study or record, and as per the behavior of material with thermal changes we study, and we interpret the which is the compound or qualitative and quantitative estimation of that particular sample or compound by this thermal analytical technique. Different thermal analytical techniques here. Number one, thermogravimetry, that is called TG. Instrument apply thermobalance parameter measured mass and temperature, mass and temperature. Derivative thermogravimetry, that is called DTG, thermobalance. Another technique, differential thermal analysis, that is called DTA. DTA apparatus we require. Differential scanning calorimetry, DSC, that is calorimeter we require. Thermometric titrimetry, here also we required calorimeter. Another technique is dynamic reflectance spectroscopy, that is spectrophotometer we require, and abbreviation DRS of this technique. Evolved gas detection, that is called EGD analysis. Thermal conductivity cell required in this method. Thermomechanical analysis, that is called dialtometry, TMA. Dialtometer is required for this. Electrical conductivity, we required electrometer or bridge. Emission thermal analysis, here we required ETA apparatus. Now friend, according to Bandland, any analytical instrument techniques is regarded as thermal analysis method is a physical parameter is measured as a function of temperature or time. That is, according to this definition, we can say proton nuclear magnetic resonance, that is depends on this technique, electron spin resonance, electron diffraction, X-ray diffraction method, mass spectrophotometer, and UV visible IR spectrophotometer are the thermal methods. These are the method which in which we incorporate electromagnetic radiation, but they also um, comes in, or we can put these methods also in a other uh, thermal methods as per this definition. Thermogravimetry. It is a method of thermal analysis in which physical property of substance is measured as a function of temperature while the substance is subjected to a controlled temperature program. Here, temperature is applied in our sample and we can change the temperature or measure the temperature changes. An internationally accepted definition of thermogravimetric analysis is as follows. It is a technique where weight of substance is environment heated An internationally accepted definition of thermogrametry is as follows. It is a technique where by weight of substance in an environment heated or cooled at a controlled rate is recorded as the function of time or temperature. This is a actual definition of thermogrametry. Here, types of thermogrametry. There are three types of thermogrametry: isothermal or static thermogrametry, quasi-static thermogrametry, or dynamic thermogrametry. Number one, isothermal or static thermogrametry. In this technique, the sample weight is recorded as the function of time at constant temperature. Here we are making a constant temperature, we are applying constant temperature and studying the weight of sample uh, by the changing of time. Quantitative thermogrametry. In this technique, the sample is heated at constant weight at which the series of increasing temperature. Here we are increasing the temperature of sample. Dynamic thermogrametry. In this technique, a sample is heated in an environment whose temperature is changing in predetermined manner, generally in a linear rate. Most of the studies are generally carried out with dynamic thermogrametry. Therefore, it is generally referred as TGA thermogrametry, a common method of thermogrametry. Friends, these three techniques coming under the heading of thermogrametry. Uh, Now, Uh, principle of thermogrametry is based on a sample that the sample is weighed continuously at it is being heated to elevated temperature and changes in the mass of sample is studied. This is a common principle we studied in our fourth semester gravimetry analysis. Just like here, we are studying the thermogravimetry. We are taking the weight of our sample. Now, changes in temperature of affect the sample. Not all thermal changes event brings as a change in mass of sample, that is melting, crystallization, but some thermal event, that is desorption, absorption, sublimation, vaporization, oxidation, reduction, decomposition, bring a drastic change in a mass sample. These all are the technique, these all are the process which happen after the increasing the temperature. That is desorption, absorption, sublimation, vaporization, oxidation, reduction, or decomposition. It is used in an analysis of volatile product, gaseous product, loss during the reaction in the thermoplastic, thermostat, elastomers, composites, films, fibers, coatings, paints, etc. These techniques are used for this type of compounds. Now description. It is a technique which is studied under the thermal analysis and employed for the detection of such type of material which undergo mass changes, gain or loss when subjected to the thermal event, that is decomposition, oxidation or reduction. Here, friend, we are employed only the substance which are having property to changes uh, take place after the subjected to the temperature or heat to that particular compound, and that change we measure. For this reason, it is a very significant to optimize those condition factors on which the changes of mass of sample depends throughout the operation experiment. Here, recording and result. This instrument is used for the gravimetric, is programmed, it says balance for rise the temperature is known as thermobalance. Result of Results are displayed by a plot of mass change versus temperature or time, and are known as thermogravimetric curve or TG curve. TG curve, sometimes TG simply TG curves comes in an exam on short notes. So you must know that graph is plotted against the mass and temperature. Uh, After the increasing the temperature, sample got change or undergoes to various changing process, and we study the mass change after the applying of temperature. The TG curve is normally plotted with mass changes in percentage on the y-axis and temperature T or time on x-axis. A typical TG curve has been shown here in the diagram. You can go for this. Now, friend, you must prepare for this examination, RGPV examination, as well as sessional examination. This is important um, topic.